In this video, I will show you how to create this fade-in animation in DaVinci Resolve. So firstly, what you want to do is to add your text to the timeline. You're going to go in top left corner and you're going to click on effects. Then from here you have toolbox and you have titles. After you added your text to the timeline, what you want to do is to click on it to select it. Then you're going to go in top right corner to inspector. From here you're going to personalize your text. You can change the size and the position of it and the font. Then you're going to go to settings option, and from here you're going to scroll down till you see composite. Here at composite you have opacity. What we want to do now is to go in the beginning of the text, and we're going to set a keyframe by clicking on here. Then we want to choose the point that we want to end our fade in. So for example, let's say right here, and we're going to add another opacity frame. After we did that, what we want to do is to click on this left arrow so we can go to the first keyframe, and for this one we're going to decrease the opacity like so. By clicking on the cursor, then you're going to drag it to the left. And now let's see how the fading animation looks. So guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.